Guys, in today's episode, we're going to build and deploy this website right here on a full domain from scratch using only AI. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start our journey in ChatGPT, whereby we're going to tell ChatGPT to give us a prompt for a developer marketplace. This is the idea that I had, a developer marketplace called CodeMarket that can allow developers to basically sell their software, and it should be similar to Gumroad, and I wanted to use a new neo-brutalist style. So once ChatGPT gives us a prompt, all we have to do is copy the prompt, go over to lovable.dev. Lovable will build the first version for us. It's only going to do the front end. We're not going to do the back end here. Export the code from Lovable to GitHub, hit the green code button, and download the code to our local machine. Tell Casa. Casa is my file editor. You can use VS Code. You can use So I'm just going to use Casa. I'm going to open my project inside Casa, and I'm going to tell Casa to first of all improve the design, because this one looks horrible. Once Casa improves our design, we're then going to tell it to add an Express backend, because this whole thing now will be in JavaScript. It will be easier if we have our folder inside. So I just keep on improving this whole process with Casa, and after a while we have our system ready. We have our front end working, we have our backend in Express. Casa has built the whole thing for us. We've connected it to our database in MongoDB, and now we have a fully working system locally, guys. But because this whole thing is web coded, it has a lot of errors. So I'm going to quickly install Test Sprite to my Casa. Now go ahead and test our entire code base for all the errors and all the parts that are not working. After a few seconds, Test Sprite is done. It comes back with a full test report. The next thing that we have to do is we're simply going to tell Casa, based on the test report that we've been given, to fix all the bugs that have been identified inside our application. Now the next bit is to deploy this whole thing. First of all, we need a domain. So let me quickly go over to GoDaddy. I usually use GoDaddy to buy my domains, and the next bit now is to deploy our application. In order to deploy an application that has a backend and a front end, you probably need a VPS server. So I'll just quickly buy a $6 VPS server. Just once I'm done, I'll hook the whole thing to Jenkins and begin deploying the whole thing. And once the whole deployment is successful, guys, our application is ready on our domain, and we can even check it out. So let me just quickly go to codemarket.tech and confirm that the application is live. And as you can see, our application is live on our domain. What do you think? Just let me know in the comments below what you thought about this whole thing, and if you've been able to follow this, just let me know in the comments below.